2. Log cabin with 2 bedrooms and sleeping loft. Holiday Max 2, 65 meters square by 12 by 7.5 meters by 92 millimeters. The Holiday Max 2 cabin has 2 bedrooms, a spacious shower room and a large 30-meter square hall for cooking, dining and living, all on the 65-meter square ground floor. The upper loft contains 5 by 5 meters of space, perfect for a guest stay or storage. Standard cabin kit comes with all our best log cabin features, including our highest quality windows and doors equipped with German-made window systems, together with 92mm wall thickness. It also features multi-lock door systems, strengthening metal rods in walls, extra thick floorboards and foundation beams, and metal storm braces inserted throughout the entire wall. For all doors and windows, we use tempered safety glass. All wooden components are made of durable Nordic spruce. For significantly higher thermal performance, we recommend our floor and roof insulation kits at very affordable prices.